Hello, Truth Seeker. This Sunday we are continuing our series on the three paths to God, Sunday, May 26. So far we talked about the path of wisdom, which is called Jnana Yoga in the Sanskrit. And then we talked about the path of devotion or Bhakti Yoga. This Sunday we're going to talk about the path of service, Karma Yoga. So this is a very important topic because you can't just be one or the other. They all involve each other. The path of devotion, the path of wisdom are types of action. So the question is, how do we grow spiritually through action, through service? So that's what we're going to talk about this Sunday, May 26th at 11 a.m., right here at the Unity Center of New York City. I look forward to seeing you then.